out here.
Hella loud, dude. Oh my god. Bro, when we took out my exhaust, I'm like, holy shit, hella loud. Oh, it's so fucking cold. Oh my manager's.
Where's that?
Flybys over there.
The wagon?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see it. Here we go.
It looked nice, but he's still, it's really just fucked up right now, but he's gonna fix it.
This is like night shift or something.
It's fucking loud.
Yo, so he did a muffler delete on his car, bro.
Yeah, boy.
2.5 RS Subaru Impreza. Yeah, we should get some drive-by shots over there by Sam's. About to get some drive-by shots right now. Damn.
Shit's loud, huh?
Hell yeah. Alright, about to get some exhaust shots. What? Alright. Go.
Heard that?
Yeah. Alright. Gonna do another drive-by shot out here by Ship Creek. Alright, so that shit's crazy loud. Crazy loud. He did a muffler delete on his RS Subaru Impreza. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but there's a lot of noises. I think those are frogs, I don't know. Ah! Whoa! Did you hear those pops? Damn. Yeah, it's crazy loud. Oh, I don't get fucking killed by a hole out here, bro. So crazy from my perspective. loud, huh?
Keep it going.
Oh, did you? Oh, yo.
You don't want to get a picture of them? You still got time.
Oh, fuck.
Go!
And the pump. Whoa.
You know what'd be funny? Like if I was revving my engine and a homeless guy, hey, knock that shit out!
Trying to sleep.
This is my neighborhood. Get the fuck out of here.
Bro, I bet. Alright, guys. So we're gonna go pick up our boy Sam from his house. So he's gonna be joining us on this cruise.
Oh, and he gave me a free license plate.
What is that?
STM tuned. I think that's why he got his car tuned.
Is it in Alaska?
Yeah, I think so.
For sure.
You think he's gonna stay on the left or right? Probably on the left. I don't know.
Alright, we got our boy Sam coming out. I can't even focus.
You ready, boy?
Yeah, Sam out here.
Is your mom sleeping?
Yeah.
I might wake her up by accident.
I mean, he still drove home though. It was fucking right. He just did it. We got hit, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nico, everyone was shocked. I looked back. I just started laughing. Everyone else started laughing. And shit was just funny from there.
Who was in the car?
Me, Lee, Vaughn, Momo, and Caleb.
Y'all saw that you're exiting the highway, but he didn't slow down.
The highway in Wasilla. Like if you're going to
State Fair?
yeah, like if you're going to State Fair.
Like there's that.
You know, it's an overpass and there's a bridge.
Yeah.
Yeah, like overpass.
Gosh.
You said want to stand behind.
Luckily there was no cars though.
Oh yeah, that's true. You want to stand behind the car? Give me your thoughts.
He did a muffler delete, remove his muffler and
How
install.
long you had this?
I got it last month. Yeah, you wanna stand behind the car too?
Hey, watch out for security though. Usually security like to roam in Walmart.
Stop right there!
You got your tripod?
Nah, bro. It's in my luggage. I forgot to bring it.
You got some all night shots.
Yeah, it's better. But then it's kind of awkward when I was vlogging in Thailand, because nobody know what vlogging was. I'm walking out there.
Do you have a big one or like a small?
It was this, but they're not used to seeing like outsiders doing that. Even though you're tight.
Alright, man.
All right, Sam. Let's go get your reaction on this bitch. All right, we out here, guys. It's loud as fuck.
You ready to get you? Race?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Not yet.
Alright guys, we're about to do a donut right now. Hopefully no cops come. There's a car coming though. And they're about to stop at the green light. No, they're passing.
I think we did it like
Right here.
I messed up.
The gravel is kind of tough on the. This gravel is pretty tough.
Let's get the fuck out of here.
Crazy Things in Anchorage, Alaska?
I haven't yet.
He has like 10 episodes out. Get him out here.
Yo. Alright, we're gonna do a quick rev session in the muffler. We're gonna lock the door. Yo, we gotta go fast. Alright, bro. Let's hear it. Oh, this is a security car. Yo, first cop right next to us.
Peace out, motherfucker.
Round 2.
Too fast, man. That 15-pounder blue.